Welcome! In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to generate a digital work order in AutoText.me from a repair order in Shop-Ware. Let's take a look at our ticket in Shop-Ware, and you will take a look at Justin for Oil's Jeep Wrangler. Now, Justin's in for just one thing, and that's lube oil filter, and it's the high performance package. So we've got this item all set and approved. So we're gonna go ahead and go back to AutoText.me and generate the order by clicking on the work order icon here, or from our drop down on the left. I'll stick with the swim lane here, click on the work order button. It'll ask us if we want to generate the work order from Shop-Ware. I will say yes, and this will generate my package and parts and labor completely. Now, if you've already had an ongoing job and additional work was added, as in this case here, where we've been involved in a transmission removal and our technicians identified that the sway bar links on this Odyssey are in need of replacement. So we're going to go ahead and authorize those sway bar links. We'll say we discussed this over the phone. We'll add the package here. Since this is all authorized and now we have these items on the board, we can regenerate a ticket we may have already made in AutoText.me. So let's find Joe Paluca's 2002 Honda Odyssey over here in AutoText.me. We can open the digital work order and you can see the initial two items that are on here already. I can go ahead and hit the regenerate button on the top of this work order. When you do this, it's going to reconcile the ticket with what you currently have in Shop-Ware. Now, we have the sway bar links. We also have any parts and quantity involved as well. Now, when work orders have been generated, this is when you have the single best advantage with AutoText.me, where you have TechFlow. TechFlow will show you the items that you've completed on the tasks that you already have assigned to you and which ones remain still needing to be done. Any accumulated hours that were billed will show up in book hours complete. Any clocked hours that you have, if you're going for actual time, will also appear for your technician there. There's more details on TechFlow in our online training. I hope you found this video helpful and enjoy generating those work orders in Shop-Ware. Thank you.